Okay, today we are going to learn about the topic red black tree. Red black tree is a binary search tree that satisfies some properties, and it contains one extra bit for storage per node. That means one extra bit is used for storing the color, which can be either red or black. Okay, so red black tree is a binary search tree. One extra bit is used for storing node. It's either red or black. Okay, red black tree satisfies the following red black properties. First property is every node is either red or black. Okay, and root is always black, and every leaf is black. If a node is red, then its children are black. Then last property, for each node, all simple paths from the node to the descendant leaves contains same number of black nodes. That means the black height is always same from every path of the tree. Let's see one example. See this figure here. We can see from the root node to the left side, the black height is, including root node, it's 2. From here also, including black node, is 2. Here also from 1935-56, here also the black node is height is same. Okay, that is the fourth property of red black tree. All path from any given node to its leaf node contain the same number of black nodes. The black height must be the same. Okay, so what are the properties of red black tree? First property is every node is either red or black. Second property, root is black. Third property, every leaf is black. If a node is fourth property, if a node is red, then both its children are black. We can see one example. Here the node is red in color, both children are black. Okay, we have to satisfy this red black tree properties for every operations on the red black tree. Let's see what are the operations we can perform on red black tree. We can perform insertion, deletion, operation, traversing in red black tree, same as in the binary search tree. For that, I will see the insertion algorithm first. Insertion algorithm. Okay, we can insert a node into a n node red black tree in order of n log n time. We can insert a node using this algorithm. For that, first we have to learn about rotate function, how we can perform rotation function. Okay, then we have to study about RB insert fixup. This function is used for find out the color fixup. Okay, so let's see the rotation function, then we move to the insertion. Next is left rotation. Rotation. In rotation, we can see what is rotation. There is search tree operations, tree insert and tree delete. When run on a red black tree with n keys, take order of log n time. Okay, because they modify the tree, may violate the red black tree properties. To restore these properties, we must change these colors of some of the nodes in the tree and also change the pointer structure through rotation. Okay, when we perform insert and delete operations, the color must be changed and the position of the node also changed. So we have to use rotation operations to change the pointer structure. There are two types of rotations, left rotation and right rotation. First one is left rotation. Let's see one example first, then we can move to the algorithm. Left rotation, see this dead tree, A is the root node and B is the right node, alpha is the left node, and we have two child, beta and gamma. Okay, how we can perform the left rotation? We can do it by moving this A to down. That means we can change or we can pull this A down. What will happen? A will come here, B will come here, and A will go down. That is left rotation. Let's see. This is the tree after rotation operation. A will come down and B on the top root, B in the root position, and some more changes in the algorithm. That is, if this is x and we make it A as x and B as y. If y have a left node, then we will change, this is the left node, then we will change this left node as A's right node, and this is in the algorithm. Okay, first we pull down A here, A will come here and B will go up. That is in the picture here. Okay, then we check if y have a left child. We will check it using algorithm. If y had a left child, then it will be the right child of x. That is in the algorithm. That is the final picture of this left rotation. See, first we make left rotate of t comma x. First we make y equal to x of right. That is in the picture. See, y equal to x of right. X is A and x right is B. So B is y. Then what is the next step? X right equal to y left. What is the x right? Y left. We will change, this is the y's left. We will change x right position as y's left position. Okay, so then we have to change the link to we have to change the link. First we change y's left as x right, that is in the picture. Then we have to assign the parent of this beta as x. Okay, so for that, if y's left is not equal to nil, then we make y's left parent equal to x. That is in the picture. Y's left is beta, y's left parent is beta, beta's parent is x. Okay, then if y's parent is x parent, okay, if any other node above this b, then it will be changed. Okay, that is not in this simple picture, that we can see in the next picture. First we what we are doing in the left rotation is, we will change, we call the left rotation of t comma x. What is x? Is the left rotating position of the position is x. Okay, we change x right as y. First we set y, then we make x right equal to y's left. Okay, then we have to change the parent also, y's left parent equal to x. That we are doing here. Simply we are pulling down this A, left rotating, this rotating here. So pulling down A here, B will come here, and B, if y have any left node, it will be the right child of x. Simple. Next, see the next example. Let's see next example. Here we call left rotation on node 40. Okay, so x is 40. Here y is 50. We can going to rotate this one. So left rotate means rotating like this. So 40 will come down, 50 will go up, and if there is any left node for y, it will be the right child of x. That's what happening in this figure. See, 50 will go up and 40 will go down. Yes, y have a left child. Here y have a left child. So we make it that left child 45 as x right child. Okay. What is the next step? That is, the next step is we have to change the parent also. Okay. If y's left is not nil, we have to change the parent. Y's left parent is x. That we all done. Y's left is 45, 45's parent is x. That we changed. Okay. Next step is y's parent is x parent. Okay. That's we can change. Y's parent. What is the y's parent? Here, that is, we are moving 50 here and 40 down. So automatically 50 will come here. So the parent will be changed. Okay, y's parent is now y's parent is x parent. X parent is here, x parent is 20. So it will be changed. 40 will come down, so it will be changed. 50 is the child of 20. Okay. Then what is the next step? If x parent is nil, sixth step, if x parent is nil, we will make root of the tree as y. If there is no node above this 40, then we will make y as the root node. But here what 20 is the root node, so x has a parent node, so we will change the node. Y's parent is here 50. Then what is the next step? Else, if x equal to x parents left, we can check if x is x parent left, is it true? No. Is x is x parents right? So we can go to the else step. X is x parents right. Then what we have to do? Then x parents right equal to y. We have to change x parents right. X parent is 20. First we check x is x parents left or right, or check it. Okay, here x parent parents right is x. So what we have to do? X parents right equal to y. Here x parents is 20, x parents right is y. Okay. Then y's left is x. It's true. Y's left is x. And x parent is y. And x parents is y. That we all performed on a single step by rotating. But as per we do all as per the algorithm. So we have to check with the algorithm. Here simple, it's very simple. Left rotation is very simple. Simply where we call the left rotation, here we call the left rotation on the node 40. So we just pull down the 40 down here. Okay, so automatically 50 will go up. So what will happen? 40 will come here and 50 will come here. And there is a condition for left rotation. If y have a left child, it will be after left rotation, it will be the right child of x. That's a condition here. So we change that also. And we have to make the child of y's left y's left as, we have to change the parent. Okay, we have to change the parent. Y's left as parent is x. That we change. Then we check if x have any parent node or not. If x have any parent node, it will be automatically the parent of y. If there is no parent node for x, the root node y will be the root node. Here in this question, x have parent node, so we change the parent node of x as y's parent node. Then we check what will the next condition. Then we check whether the x is x parents right or x parents left. Here x is x parents right, so we make x parents right as y. Okay, these are the steps we need to perform. left rotation, and automatically last two step is, what is last two step? Y's left is x and x parent is y. Okay. Then next is code for right rotation. It is symmetric. Left and right rotation is symmetric. Simply left rotation will perform rotation on left side and right rotation will perform rotation on right side. So algorithm is same, similar. There is a change, small change in the algorithm. We can see how we can perform right rotation. Let's see. In here, right rotation of t comma x. Here we are going to perform rotation on x. So we pull down 50 here. That is rotating like this on the right side. So we pull down 50 here, then 40 will go up. See, 40 go up and 50 will go down. Then what we check? If y equal to x left, y equal to x left hand side, x dot left equal to y dot right. That is, if y have a right node, then it will be the left node of x. Symmetric, opposite of left rotation. If y had a left node, it will be the right node of x. That is happening here. X dot left equal to y dot right. Okay, same as left rotation. Let's see the simple figure. We are going to rotate like this. So x will come down and y will go up. And what happened? See, y had a right node, it will be the left node of x. Okay, this is simple picture of right rotation. That's all about left and right rotation. We can see the insertion operation on the next video.